Hello and welcome to today's Minicast, presented by Hannah Feathers. Thank you for joining me for our Minicast today. Please sit back, relax, and come learn with me. Today, we are going to be discussing an important instructional design model, the ARCS, or ARCS model. The ARCS instructional design model was created by John Keller, and it focuses on the motivation to learn and on how to make instruction appealing through engaging strategies, principles, and processes. The main idea is that learners learn best when they are fully engaged in the learning process, and the instructional methods are devised in a way to maintain this engagement. We want our learners to be motivated throughout the learning process, not just at the beginning of a learning experience. Let's take a moment to dive deeper into the four major components of ARCS, which correspond to the letters of the model's name. A. Attention. We must garner learners' curiosity in order to maintain their interest. We can do this through using a variety of teaching methods. Difficult or surprising problems and situations both create a sense of curiosity and create opportunities to use inquiry-based problem solving. Some ways to gain attention can be through using humor, real-world examples, or conflicting points of view. A word of caution, however, make sure that your attention-grabbing strategies are not too distracting from your content. R. Relevance. Topics should be related to the learner's personal experiences. The material needs to matter to our learners. Sometimes this means we need to discuss why the learner needs the information we are instructing them on, and we may need to provide examples of relevance to our learner in order to bridge the gap between content and the real world. C. Confidence. This is where we talk about scaffolding. We are scaffolding the learner's success through meaningful tasks. We want to establish positive expectations for our learners, and we can do this by providing learning standards and evaluation criteria. By presenting a wide variety of challenges during the learning experience, we widen the opportunity for a learner to experience success, thus creating confidence and trust within the learner. S. Satisfaction. We are building the learner's sense of reinforcement and achievement. We want to encourage learners to create an intrinsic enjoyment of the learning process. We can do this through providing motivational feedback or reinforcement. We also want to make sure we are remaining equitable, maintaining consistency in our standards and consequences. By the end of a learning experience, learners should be satisfied with what they have achieved. In a visual graphic of this model, we would see the ARCS steps laid out as a circle, with an arrow going around from the A to the S. This shows the continuous movement of this method. We are no longer just motivating learners at the beginning of a process. We are continuing to motivate them as they move through each ARCS step. Thank you so much for learning with me today as we discussed John Keller's instructional design model, the ARCS model. I have been your Minicast host, Hannah Feathers, and I hope you have enjoyed your time learning with me today. Remember, wherever you are and wherever you are going, make today an awesome day.